Johnson. Brother Nicely Johnson.
Nicely, you better get up before I make you.
Well, it happened to be kind of funny, like a dream. Yeah, that's it, a dream. Tell us, in your own words. I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered, someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong, and the people all said, sit down, you rock the boat. People all said, sit down, you rock the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, you rock the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. And the people all said, beware, people all said, beware, the whale's got a lift ship, and the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie, from the wicked to rope. Sit down, you rock the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard, and as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said myself, sit down, you rock the boat. Said myself, sit down, you rock the boat. And the devil will drag you under with a boat so heavy you'd never float. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you rock the boat. Sit down, you rock, sit down.